Oh, doing okay for the most part. You?
Alright.
Yeah.
Having some fun mowing.
Yeah, until I killed the lawnmower.
Ah, darn it.
So. Yeah.
That's all I want.
Time for a new one. Uh, 10mm. Looks like I need some new gaskets. They're in pretty bad shape. So I got some throttle body cleaner. So we're going to try this first and see if that's the problem. And now I'm just going to wipe it down. See if I can get it to start. So, yeah, we move this out of the way for right now. It goes on that. So when we put it all back together, we're going to just do it in reverse order of what it is right now. So there's a little clamp right here. Let's see if I can make this a little easier for you guys to see what I'm actually doing. Take my mug out of the picture. Yeah, there's a little clamp right here. So you gotta make sure that that's positioned correctly. There, put that back on. Now yes, I know I should be wearing gloves, but I don't have any gloves right now and I'm too lazy to go down to the store and buy them. Besides, this stuff evaporates pretty quickly, so I don't think too much of it's going to get absorbed into my body. And at 62 years old, doing this for the last 50 years of my life, I don't think this little bit's going to amount to much. And this goes in here kind of like that, but I got to put the gasket back on. Now, luckily, this thing only goes on one way. So, just like that. Then this will go on here, just like that. Now, if you look at the gasket, it has a notch here and a big notch there. So basically, it does only go on one way. Now, this one is a metal gasket with rubber adhered to it. So, and I need to buy a new one. I just haven't called them up and ordered one yet. I'm going to order mine online because there's no way you can afford it if you go down to the dealer. It's super expensive. Cover plate that goes on like so. Actually, it goes on like that. So if you have any problems, I always suggest taking a picture of it before you start, then take a picture at every stage until you can, that way if there's any questions, you just go back to your camera and look to see how it goes together. Yeah, what brought this on is it would start and it would run for a few seconds and then it would stop, and it did that over and over and over again. So I finally decided to check the carburetor to see if it was gunked up, and it was. So all right, there we go. See if we can get this thing put back together. Like I said at the beginning of this is a 10 millimeter. Luckily, it's pretty damn idiot proof. You've got 2 nuts and 1 bolt, so you really can't screw it up. Just gotta make sure everything's lined up when you get through. Alrighty, we're gonna give it a shot. Put my safety glasses on, my hearing protection because my ears are gone. Boys and girls, it seems to run pretty good. Here we go, yeah. So, luckily what it was is some grass leaves had gotten into the carburetor. And if you look at the reason why is my air filter is totally shot. So that's the next thing on the list. I'm gonna order a new air filter tonight. And it'll run top notch afterwards. Well, thank you for watching me. Have any questions, leave them in the comments. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.